Okay. I will give you too many stars. Now it's a time for
But this
reading.
one have 100 zeros.
Okay. Let's start the reading now. Okay. Can you read it? What's this word?
After this number will be one so many stars.
Okay. What is this
So many
word? This is
million zeros.
what is this? What's this word?
Come.
Come.
And bond. For Cam.
Thank
Cam.
you.
To
Thank
mother.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. And the. These are words. These are words. Now, what is this?
Thank you. Thank you to mother, cat.
No, this is not thank you. Thank you is this one, the purple. This is thank you. This is come, come, come. Now start from here.
Come to mother, cat.
Good job.
Come to mother. No. Cat.
An is the name. Then
cat. Run.
rain. A. Good job. Well done.
And run.
Rain. Rain.
Rain. Mother.
To mother. Good. Next.
Mother has a top for cat.
Good job.
Mother has a cat
for
cut for an.
Excellent. Great.
Thank
you. Thank you.
Mother. Thank you, mother. For the
up.
Cut.
Up. Top.
Thank you, mother.
For the cot. Thank you, mother, for the top. Thank you, mother, for the cot. They both are saying thank you to mother. Top is for the boy and the cot is for the girl. Okay, so she is Anne and he is Pat. Okay, got it? Let's watch the next screen now.
Come and
come and dance. Again, come and
dance.
Good job. Now,
dance to and
good job.
Come and dance to pet.
Well done.
Sing to mother.
No, there is no to. There is no to. Sing.
Mother, sing.
Well done. Great.
Ned.
Pat. And will dance. Good job. Pat and Anne. He said, sing, mother, sing. Mother, you try to sing. So Pat and Anne will dance. When mother will sing, oh, the baby will dance. Okay. Then what is this one you say now? No. Odd. No. Odd.
Not. Mother.
Not to.
to and
Had. Good job.
come.
Had not.
No, have not.
This is no odd. This is no odd. No odd. Look, spelling, right? Good job. Next, what is this? This one. This you know.
Come and sing.
No, sing. This one, not sing. This is da.
Come and dance. Come and
Come and
dance.
excellent. Good job. This
Come,
is what?
Mother will sing. Mother will
Very
sing.
good. Then?
For the dance.
Wow, great. Now what is this? Show. What is this? Show. Show me what you have. This is a show. This is what? You know this one.
Has a fun.
Good. This is the same word. This is the same word. Same wording.
Show the fun to mother and
good job. Well done. Then
for
and rain to show the fan to mother. Okay.
Pat and had
not
the first page. We go to
this is the last one. Yeah. A cap. Had not a cap.
Mutant cap.
Hey, he hasn't a cap. He had a top, right? Mama gave him the top. This is the last paragraph. Then this is who? And rain
to mother.
Good job.
For
then
cap. For that.
Good job.
Mother
had not a cap for Pat. He said Pat had not a cap. So sister Anne ran to mother and said, Mama, give cap to the Pat. But mother said, I also don't have a cap for Pat. Oh. But mother had a hat. She doesn't have a cap. What she has? Hat. Okay. She said, I don't have a cap. What I have? A hat. So read this one.
Mother had a hat.
A hat. Good job. Then what they say to mother?
Thank you, mother, for the hat.
For the hat. For Pat. Interesting story. It is a party, right? In the party, they need some hats, some things to enjoy.